Okay.
Okay, this is different from what we usually do because the games that we do, that you watch, that some of you learn, tend to be intended to be funny. This is an introduction to a kind of improv called long form. Right? And long form games sometimes they're funny, sometimes they're not. Sometimes they're touching, sometimes they're absurd, but they're more about telling stories. Okay, so what they do today might not necessarily be funny, although maybe there might be some amusing moments. So I ask you to adjust your expectations. So how this will go is they will begin with some monologues, meaning they will speak as themselves, very frankly. And then when the storytelling begins, we will time them, we'll give them 7 minutes. Okay, the only rule is that the game should take only 7 minutes, exactly 7 minutes. They can do anything in these 7 minutes, as long as it ends in 7 minutes. Okay, so again, to addressing the older people in the audience, like 2 of you, so many young people. What is something you would say to your 20-year-old self? What's something you would say to your 20-year-old self? You're not that much older than 20. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Older.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't overwork yourself.
Don't overwork yourself. It's not worth it. It's so true. Yeah. Right, so this is 1 word, 7 minutes. Don't overwork yourself. It's not worth it.
Okay, so magkukwento ako. Actually, no, magrereklamo ako. In finals week, I was paired up in this group work kung saan kailangan namin mag-produce ng paper at kailangan namin mag-produce ng video output for environmental policy class. Yung naka-partner ko sa group work na to was yung exchange student, the only exchange student sa klase, na galing Spain. And it did cause issues kasi una, ibang-iba yung work culture nila galing sa Spain. Initially, I thought na maaasahan ko siya. And then like, towards the end of the semester, biglang na-check out. Ang nangyari tuloy, parang na-overwork ako kasi akong gumawa ng lahat. And nasa-stress ako, and what makes it even more?
As the president of this org. Let me speak the truth about the presidents of this org. We are severely overworked, not by choice. And it's basically by circumstance. Kasi it could be like undermanned kayo or like kasi you have to prioritize academics, and this year has been particularly hard kasi undermanned nga kami. And I'm not complaining that I'm overworked kasi clearly it pays off. Pero it does pay off, pero in the end sometimes may sacrifice. Like this semester has been a bit difficult kasi I've struggled with time blindness a lot more than I usually do. And I think it's the stress getting to me. And it's not just syempre being org president. It's also...
I joined an org in first year. I joined 4 orgs in first year. Because pandemic, kaya ko lahat. But then there's this one org specifically that I joined. Parang they had like this really cool background about them. Like, oh, they're cool. I'm not gonna say what it is, right? And then but they had like really high, like very strict work expectations. So and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna fulfill that. So one of the projects that I got part of, the call time was 6 a.m. And the night before, I was like watching anime, I think, so I slept at 4. So I was like, okay, 2 hours of sleep, and then I'll wake up at 6 a.m. ready for the call time. And this is pandemic. It was an online shoot. So I was like, what am I doing to myself? But then I was there at 6 a.m. and the person who was also part of the project wasn't there. And because of that, bumaba yung immunity ko, and I got the second version of chickenpox. Yeah, it's called shingles. And yeah, I know, it was here on my face. It was so bad. I had to be in quarantine for 10 days.
So unlike some people, I've never gotten chickenpox before. I've also never gotten dengue before. There's a lot get them eventually because I might die. Because I have a really bad immune system.
May vaccination.
So bad na most of the time I tend to take up my cuts talaga because I really can't be bothered to wake up, stand up, take a shower. That's just my normal day.
Walang tatalo sa immune system ko. Kasi during the pandemic, siguro lahat ng variant ng COVID nakuha ko. Para akong si Thanos, na-connect ko yung Infinity Stones. Pero when it comes to that, inisip ko, grabe talo ko si Achilles, no? Wala talagang tumatalab sa akin na sa sakit ng ganun katagal. Siguro at max, 1 day, 2 days. Promise yun. Ang sagot lang doon, tubig, tapos pahinga, tapos konting alak, no? Yun ang yung sagot doon. Kaya ako napakalakas ko.
Ako, grabe po ma'am. Grabe po ma'am. Ang lakas naman ng immune system ng anak niyo. Ma'am,
Oo, manang-manan yan sa akin. Can't you see?
wait lang. Check ko pa heart rate niya.
Mommy, I wanna go to sleep. No, you're gonna go to school. Aren't you so excited?
Teka,
Mommy,
baka
I'm dizzy.
signs po kasi yun ng burnout.
Burn out. What are you talking about? She's so young.
How old are you?
12.
You, my daughter.
The picture of health.
Yeah. We look alike, no?
Ako ma'am.
Talk naman. Anyway, so my daughter.
So, okay. Ito po yung reseta niyo ah. Ayan, ito.
Okay, Achilles, alam ko, 12 years old ka lang. At tinakaching ka ngayon. We have to go out into battle.
I don't wanna play capture the flag today, coach.
No, Achilles. Come on. You're my... Kapag nawala ka, it's like my Achilles heel, you know? The whole team loses.
Coach, it's just a name. You're so literal about it. I think I'm getting a lagnat na ulok-lok-lok.
Hindi totoo yung lagnat. Parang COVID lang yan.
Coach, baka naman. Kita mo si Achilles. Grabe na yung sakit niya. Hindi na siya palakas.
Okay.
Napaka-weak na niya.
Okay.
Palit mo na ako. Put me in the game. I can do it. I promise I can do it.
Okay. Homer.
Yeah!
I think the problem is hindi kasi marketable yung name mo sa sponsorships.
Bakit naman?
Pakinggan mo, Achilles Homer.
Oh! Homer! Oh! Ano?
Sebastian, I know that you're a transfer student,
Yes.
but you still need to do the worksheets.
See.
By the placement office.
I can take them as my partner po.
No.
Little girl, you look very sick. I don't
No, it's okay. It's okay. I have time. I have 5 minutes today. I can do the project.
Is this how you do things in the Philippines?
See. No, little girl. ¿Quieres? Tara, I have more.
Come here.
Vamos!
Coach, ito. Tingnan mo, coach. Tingnan mo. Coach, ayan, tingnan mo. Naghahanap siya ng tulong sa ibang bansa. Kalain mo yun? Naghahanap siya ng import.
That's what we call ingenuity. Wala ka kasi ganun eh.
Ano, wala akong ganun. I'm pointing out yung mga weakness nitong Achilles.
Ano na naman?
Let's go there. Achilles Homer. I think I want Achilles more. The problem is also, binabayaran din ako ng nanay niya. Wala kang nanay.
The game?
Ma'am, late ka po sa huling payment mo eh.
That's impossible.
Coach Boyet, boy, halika dito. Coach Boyet, kita mo yung mga ginagawa mo sa mga football player mo? Nakaalam gusay sa sahig. Ayan o. Ilang drill ba yung pinagawa mo sa kanila?
Online na nga lang yung drill namin eh.
because coach made us do drills on the floor.
On the floor!
Yes.
Does he know that you're too clean for the floor?
But coach said it's better for my health kasi I have to keep getting sick.
Your doctor
So
said
that
your health is fine.
But I'm not fine, Mom. I've been so tired. I've been so sick.
Ay nako, you just complain. You complain and complain.
Porket di ka naawa, hindi mo alam yung feeling.
Did you not get my immune system?
Grabe naman yung nanay mo sa'yo.
Thank you, janitor.
Buti naman na lumapit ka sa guidance center para dito, no?
Yeah, I don't think I can take it anymore because mom says that the sickness is not real, but I'm always sick.
That is your body physically manifesting your tiredness.
And also my coach keeps making me do things. I'm clearly not that healthy.
Okay, miss, so, nag-decline na nga yung payment mo, di ba? I can't keep doing this. Hindi ko na ma-hypnotize si Achilles.
Just go.
Nagsipidig na siya sa mga liberal lies.
Una! Coach! Me and Homer have something to say.
Why are you with this thing?
No!
Achilles, anak.
We quit!
You were supposed to be a football star.
You said with you!
Achilles for once!
No! Yes, okay.
Oh, no, let me handle this.
You're doing a great job.
Sing!
I don't know when this college allowed foreigners into the school, but
I am.
Sino ka?
Ako si Homer. You're overworking your child! Sama na siya!
That's removing the toxins from the supplement.
Because they're doing it! That's a part of the process. You have to track the process. Tara na, Alice! Tara na! Hindi mo na siya anak!
Hello? Opo, na-admit ko sa clinic yung si Ma'am Achilles ko. Ito na siya to. Ayan.
Thank you, Homer.
Siya ba yung sumuka sa garden kanina?
Opo, siya po.
Ano, inaway kayo ng
Time's up. That was 7 minutes. And we'll be back in 10 minutes. See you.